Cabot's Wood Floor Signature Spray Mop is the all-in-one spray mop system that helps you keep your floors guest ready without the elbow grease. It's lightweight, easy to manoeuvre, and an all-in-one system, which means no need for a bucket. With your Wood Floor Signature Spray Mop, you'll receive 2 reusable machine washable pads. One for everyday messes and another heavy-duty option for those deeper cleans. Both are made of highly absorbent microfibre, which ensures a spotless finish. For stubborn messes and the removal of pet hair, use the detachable rubber scraper and comb. Be sure to vacuum or sweep the floors before you begin. Once your mop is assembled, fill with Cabot's Wood Floor Cleaner, which is sold separately. Attach the mop head and you're ready to roll. Squeeze the trigger until the cleaner starts to spray evenly and move your mop back and forth over the sprayed area. For spot cleans and stubborn stains, use the Wood Floor Cleaner in a handy 500ml spray pack. Its fast-drying formula means you can get back on your floors quicker. Once you're done, pop your reusable mop pad in the washing machine, ready for the next clean. Now that's handy.